Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at how to navigate the simulation results table to gain valuable insights into process performance. To view the simulation results table, open the Simulations page and select a simulation. The table is interactive and goes beyond just showing data. You can transform the table into a dynamic exploration tool to focus on the outputs that you're interested in. You can show or hide columns. You can also filter rows and sort column data in ascending or descending order. Once you're done filtering the data, you can export the customized view as a CSV file. Any filters you've applied will be captured in the downloaded file, ensuring your analysis remains clear and reproducible. And that's it! Now you know how to use the simulation results table. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.